1. Check engine warning light. The check engine light will likely illuminate on the dashboard when you have a failing or bad EGR valve. This happens as soon as the vehicle's central computer detects that the EGR valve is in an abnormal position. For example, if the EGR valve does not close all the way or open all the way when it is supposed to, then the computer will detect something is wrong and activate the check engine light. 2. Poor engine performance. Although the EGR system is supposed to reduce cylinder temperatures, you wouldn't want the EGR valve stuck open all the time. If the valve is open under full throttle, there will be less combustible air in the engine when you need it most. A bad EGR valve is going to cause performance problems with the engine. You will likely experience acceleration difficulties and an overall power reduction when you step on the gas pedal. This is due to the air and fuel ratio being out of whack. As a result, the engine will require more fuel just to have any power at all. Then you'll be spending more money on gas because you will have a bad fuel economy as well as bad fuel efficiency. 3. Fuel smell. Since the engine will be consuming more fuel, more hydrocarbons are going to exit the tailpipe. This will intensify the fuel odor to the point where passengers can smell it inside the cabin of the vehicle. You obviously won't want to keep on smelling this because it is not healthy. So, this will be an incentive to address the EGR valve problem right away. 4. Rough idle. The engine will likely experience rough idling when there is a malfunctioning EGR valve that gets stuck in an open position. The EGR system is not designed to recirculate at idle, as it may cause unstable combustion that is very noticeable when you expect a smooth idle. 5. Failed emissions test. If you live in a state that requires you to get emissions testing every couple years, you may discover that you have a bad EGR valve if you end up failing this test. You won't necessarily be told this, but it will be something to watch out for if you do fail. 6. Engine knock. Most EGR systems are cooled. If the EGR system loses its coolant, the engine may experience knock or pre-detonation. Knock tends to happen if the intake air temperatures are too high, the air-fuel ratio is off, the timing is too aggressive for the ambient conditions, or there is too much carbon buildup in the intake system. 7. Surging or stalling. An EGR valve that is clogged or stuck open when the ECU expects the valve to be closed could throw off the air-fuel ratio. This may cause a surging or stalling condition under acceleration. This may also trigger your vehicle's limp mode or fail-safe mode.